Yo! West Roman Fighter Philippines! 5 taon sa kalsada, isang pamilya, Suzuki Vestro! Tara na! Sa unang ikot ng gulong, nagtagpo ang pangarap noon. Mga rider na may iisang daan, ngayon buong tropa't samahan. Bundok, dagat, ulan at init, bawat biyahe sulit na sulit. Kahit saan man mapadpad, may kapatid kang hahawak. Kapag may problema, lahat nagkaalalay. Walang naiiwan, sabay-sabay ang buhay. Hey, hey! 5 taon na umaandar, Vestrom Riders walang kupas, saya't tulungan walang katapusan. Hey, hey! Buong Pilipinas sinuyod natin, isang makina, isang damdamin. Suzuki Bistro, pamilyang matibay hanggang dulo ng daan. May tawanan sa stopover, may kwentuhan hanggang forever. Bawat helmet may istorya, bawat ride may bagong alaala. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao,
Suzuki Philippines, first of all, thank you for being passionate for brand. Yes, it's true. From what Sir Pat said, it's durable. Yes, durable pa. Big bike, Suzuki big bike, and at the same time, hindi lang po V-stroke, CBU. Lahat po galing Japan. All Suzuki big bikes came from Japan. So it's a Japan technology. Then, what do you expect? This year for Suzuki, we will be more visible, and of course, we will be more aggressive this year for me.
That's very good.
And of course, just continue the spirit, and of course, using this strong, and at the same time, just have activities. We will always be here to support you. So again, thank you so much and have fun. And of course, happy anniversary. Thank you.
Stopover, may kwentuhan hanggang forever. Bawat helmet may istorya, bawat ride may bagong alaala. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, kahit saan tayo'y sigaw. Adventure ang nasa dugo, Vistrom hanggang pagtanda mo. Pabilis ng pabilis ang tibok ng makina, kasabay ng puso nating hindi mapipigilan. Buong bayan sumasabay, Vestrom Family Alive. Limang taon ang pagkakaisa, walang iwanan sa biyahe natin. Kahit saan.
Pag nakikita mo sila sa video na ano, yun, ay dati lang, patay sila ngayon. Ngayon na naman, nagsisinaw na ako ngayon. Ang daming sampal namin, di ba? Ang daming sampal, ang daming mag-intis eh. Dati kasi, kung may parang video. Kaya ngayon, ang dami na. So, dami na lalati ko sa amin, di ba? Nagsisisip na eh.
When you ride your machine, and that's V-Strom, na sinasabi natin is reliable, durable, sakay gamit lang, yan ang V-Strom eh. So whenever we subject ourselves riding with each other, we subject ourselves into risk. Katulad kami, mga Marines, we have a risky job. Having that risky job, that makes our bond more solid. Ngayon, when we ride our machine, and that's V-Strom, and subjecting ourselves to risks to strengthen and enhance our VAC pamilya. Kasi when you ride and do that formation, we try to study, learn yung intricacies ng style ng riding. And that's very, very important. Yung,
And I'm a commander of Fort Lenin Brigade, all the money's up north. And as a father of all Marines, meron akong 2 bistro. Yes. That's how loyal I am. So with that, it's our 5th year anniversary in Sabi Bunay last year. And 5th year, and we push it for the next 50 years. Again, maraming salamat sa core group na kumuha ng Pat. Ang core group so Edwin, Kuya Henry, sila Kuya Will, nandiyan sila palagi. So, with our core group, leading the way for the next 15 years. Again, happy anniversary to all of us. And, very much welcome you guys.
Bawat ride may bagong alaala. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, kahit saan tayo'y sigaw. Ang
Huwag po kayong magaling kung tinipid sa support namin. By the way, LP Javier, Suzuki Big Bikes Makati. If ever kung meron kayong kaibigan na gusto pong bumili ng Suzuki or meron kayong concern regarding service, pwede niyo po akong i-message para ma-assist po kayo ng team namin. Again, lagi po kami nakasupport sa BAP. Always. Yun lang po.
Nga ba?